On Thursday, the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, Rishi Sunak, arrived in Israel to express solidarity with the nation, still grappling with the aftermath of a devastating attack carried out by Hamas militants on 7th October. During his visit, he engaged in discussions with Israeli President Isaac Herzog and Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Sunak's visit comes a day after US President Joe Biden met Israel's top leadership in Tel Aviv. "I am in Israel, a nation in grief," Sunak wrote on X. "I agree with you and stand with you against evil that is terrorism, today and always." Sunak met with Israel President Isaac Herzog after arriving in Israel before his meeting with Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. The pair stressed the need to avoid further escalation of violence in the region. Sunak told Israeli President Isaac Herzog on Thursday that it was important to provide humanitarian aid to the people of Gaza, speaking as the two met in Israel. "Palestinians are victims of what Hamas has done. It is important that we continue to provide humanitarian access," he said. Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is currently holding a private meeting with British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak at the Prime Minister's office in Jerusalem. The leaders will also hold an expanded meeting, at the conclusion of which they will issue press statements. As Israel's response to the Gaza conflict escalates, Rishi Sunak's office has announced that he will offer condolences for the loss of life in both Israel and the Palestinian enclave. Furthermore, he will advocate for de-escalation in the region. In an early statement, Rishi Sunak emphasized that the Gaza hospital blast on Tuesday, 17th October, which resulted in a significant number of Palestinian casualties, should serve as a pivotal moment for leaders in the region and worldwide to come together and prevent further dangerous escalation of conflict. He added that Britain would take a leading role in these efforts. Rishi Sunak will also advocate for the establishment of a pathway to facilitate the swift delivery of humanitarian aid to Gaza from Egypt and to facilitate the safe evacuation of British nationals who are currently trapped in Gaza. Amidst the deepening Israel-Hamas conflict, the office of Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu announced that limited humanitarian aid would be permitted into Gaza from Egypt. This decision followed a reported request from US President Joe Biden during his visit to Tel Aviv on Wednesday, 18 October. The request came hours after an explosion in a Gazan hospital, which claimed the lives of hundreds, including women, children, and civilians.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.